Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. So, update on Ehang. The ticker is EH. Ehang Holding is the stock name here. Yes, and after my last video release where I said we have a very good situation here for a technical pump, Ehang gained 30% or 29.3% after my video release, which is very good. But while I'm doing this video right now, guys, also one of my hot stocks is squeezing here 101%. I released the video just on Sunday here. Then on Monday we had 1 day of a shakeout, which was expected here. And now the ticker is squeezing 101%. So you can see that price actions are predictable. I will of course update you now here on Ehang and show you all the price information based on the chart. This is of course not financial advice. So guys, let's start with the chart and we check the drawings. And why was that predictable? We have here the overall pattern. If you didn't see my previous videos, or if you are new, guys, welcome here to the channel. My main purpose is to educate you in trading, and usually I do that by showing short squeeze stocks. Ehang, as we all know, guys, is a short squeeze stock. Yeah, we have here a trading range between $3.32 and $129.80. So this is an absolute ridiculous price range. But we also know that since we had this all-time low here at $3.32, Ehang starts to recover. However, we cannot talk about a short squeeze yet because we have to break several price actions, which I will show you, or price levels, which I will show you here in the chart. So what situation do we have for Ehang? What I like here is that after this massive violence shakeout here, after we came back here all the way to $3.32, you can see that we had here a recover process ongoing and a squeeze in total of 667% over, of course, a couple of months, not in one day. I have squeezes like that here available on my channel, guys. I had one of my biggest squeezes here in September, which I predicted, that was one of my hot stocks, was 1400% in just 2 days, guys, 2 trading days here. This is a 4 hours chart. That's why I say I release here a couple of short squeeze stocks on my channel. Every Sunday I release these so-called hot stock videos, and these videos here contain tickers with high squeeze potential, as I just showed you right before. This one is squeezing now, not Jesus, squeezing 101%. You can call it Jesus, but I'm not Jesus, guys. I give my best to predict short squeezes here, but of course nothing is guaranteed. But if you want to see also these kind of short squeeze plays, then you can join in here our trading community. We have the Elite Circle membership on YouTube, where you get access to all the member and the hot stock videos. Or the much more popular membership is the full package membership on Patreon. Why is this more popular? Because I also upload here all the member videos, hot stock videos, and in addition my so-called trading alerts. So what is a trading alert? This is a simple screenshot. It's not a video, it's just a simple screenshot where I also show all the buying liquidity zones, exit, stop loss price levels and stuff like that. Very easy to read. And also this is just one example where we had last week here a 108% squeeze 1 day after I posted this on Patreon, and the swing trade alerts are just available on Patreon. If you want to join in, guys, feel free. Everybody is welcome. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or advanced trader. The links to the memberships are here in the video description. So Ehang, guys, so why was that predictable? Why could I predict here a move of 30%? As I said, nothing is guaranteed. I could be totally wrong. This is not financial advice, but we know that we have this kind of trend channel pattern here. So when you just follow up what this trend channel pattern is doing, this is in favor here for the bulls, by the way. Yeah, this is a bullish support, the white line here. It is usually a trend channel here, but I want to give you a better overview. That's why I draw in addition this white line here. And this trend channel is supporting the price of Ehang and is even generating now higher lows here, which is very good and in favor, of course, for the bulls. The make it or break it price level to the downside, which we have right now, is $11.52. What does that mean? When Ehang comes back to $11.52, we want to see a strong technical reaction to the upside, and this is exactly what happened. That was the reason also why I released the video on Ehang here on that day. And since then, as I showed you just before, we had here a technical pump in total of 29%. However, there is also a resistance price level, and there was a purpose for this move. Let's call it like that. You can see we have here still a Fibonacci retracement in the chart. So when you see all these red lines, these yellow lines here, the green lines, this is a simple Fibonacci retracement. And the main purpose of these retracements is to regulate the price down, to create some kind of pump squeezes or algo squeezes here. This has something to do with synthetic shares and fail to deliver. So I don't want to go in too much detail here. I explained that here for members in detail and have a lot of tutorials on that available. But this is something what happened here. And that's why I really expected this price action to happen. And as you can see, and you can also see my previous videos, I never change or adjust my charts. So that was exactly what I predicted, that we will come back here to $15.02. And this is here one of the not very strong, but it is a resistance price range here for Ehang, $15.02. You can see how the market makers try to keep the price below that. What does that mean when we now come over $15.02? That could bring us here into the next volatility zone, and then we talk about price ranges here or price goals for Ehang of $21.06. And the top of this trend channel pattern, if we just check here by a straight line today, that would mean we're coming up here to $25.50 and even higher. These are the price goals here just when we talk about the algo squeeze range here. We don't talk about a short squeeze or a breakout. This is just what the volatility zone is here for this trend channel. That's why Ehang has the potential here to build swing trades up to 100% and come back, then 100% come back, and so on. That was exactly what we had here. We squeezed up 100%, regulated a little bit, boom, came back, and then you can see as soon as we had an attempt to squeeze out of this price range, we are over $21. Then the market maker said, no, my friend, this is too much, this is too high, we don't want it. And then they created this violent sell-off here to give you a feeling how violent that can be. You can lose here in a matter of days, you can lose minus 62% from your portfolio value here. Exactly when we touched the bottom of the trend channel here, that was the moment when this stock recovered here and came back, and we didn't touch the trend channel top since then. But it looks good because we're creating here higher lows, and that is a potential breakout. However, guys, when we enable now the indicators, then you can see in the daily chart, let me switch to the 4 hours chart for a second. Yes, we have one open gap here at $16.92. So this is also one of the next price goals for Ehang. But the problem is, you can see it already here in the table, we have a lot of gaps to the downside, and open gaps to the downside usually get filled sooner or later, guys. For now, it is still bullish. We still have our bullish support. Ehang is still trading here in this bullish trend channel pattern. No question about it. Even we got rejected here. You can see the first attempt was here. The second attempt, we talk now here about $15.02. You can see we have already several breakout attempts. That's why we should break this level very soon. When we get rejected too many times, then that means that the bears are too strong, and then the price will come down. So I don't want to scare you, but I have to show you here also the price goes to the downside. So if we lose this battle here, and if Ehang falls down below $11.52, so we switch back to the daily chart, guys, then you can see we have open gaps even here at $5.88 and $4.12. There is a very strong support in between, so that's why I don't talk about these price levels right now, but I just want to show you how the algos work. And what the algos will do, they will start to close these open gaps, and that means if we lose this battle here, if we come below $11.52, I have no doubt that Ehang will maybe end up here at $9.60 or $9.34 next. There are some open gaps which we still have to close sooner or later, and as I said, this is now here in the 4 hours chart. That means that doesn't have to happen with a daily candle. It can also happen in the low volatile or low volume trading hours, aka the pre and after market. However, for now, guys, that was enough bearish information. Now the bullish information is that we still have an attempt here to break $15.02. We got rejected. I think we'll close the gap here at $13.06, and we have also one open gap in the daily chart here at $12. It would not be a problem to close these gaps, but then when we close the gaps, I want to see a technical reaction again to the upside and not a retest here of $11.52. So that's why I released the video here. I said the easy swing trade here for day and swing traders is just this Fibonacci retracement. That was a picture perfect swing trade here, almost 30% profit for everybody who joined in. And now we have to wait here if the bulls are strong enough to kick higher, or if the bears will close these open gaps and maybe retest the support at $11.52 one more time, guys. That was my update for today for Ehang. If you like this video, guys, if you don't want to miss any updates on Ehang or other stocks, guys, or on my short squeeze plays here, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. If you want to copy here the price levels from my chart, this is here everything based on TradingView. The program what you see here is called TradingView. I use that for all my videos, and of course I prepare all my trades with this program here. Please check out here the significant price levels, $15.02, $11.52, and you can see the open gaps here as well. If you want, you can pause the video. I'm not sponsored by TradingView, guys, but I can offer you here a discount link. If you use this link, you save $15, and I always recommend the premium tier. This is good for beginners and advanced traders. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that was helpful. Yeah, if you want, then see you in the next video, and I wish you, of course, great success with all your trades. Thank you so much. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute, viel Erfolg mit Ehang und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.